Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Hi, Lucy. How are you today?
Hi, Sam. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I had cereal.
What's your favorite breakfast?
I like waffles.
What do you like to drink in the morning?
I drink orange juice.
Do you like milkshakes?
I love chocolate milkshakes.
What did you do after breakfast?
I brushed my teeth.
Did you go to school today?
Yes, I did.
What did you learn at school?
We learned about animals.
What's your favorite animal?
I like dolphins.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you play with your dog?
Yes, I play fetch with him.
What's your favorite sport?
I like basketball.
Do you play with friends?
Yes, we play basketball together.
Do you like playing outside?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like video games?
Yes, I play them sometimes.
What's your favorite video game?
I like Mario Kart.
What do you do after school?
I do my homework.
What's your favorite subject?
I like science.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I read a lot.
Do you read every day?
Yes, I read before bed.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch cartoons.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I love animated movies.
Do you eat popcorn?
Yes, I love popcorn.
Do you help in the kitchen?
Yes, I help bake cookies.
Do you help at home?
I help with cleaning.
Do you make your bed?
Yes, every morning.
Do you like drawing?
Yes, I draw a lot.
What do you like to draw?
I like drawing animals.
Do you like coloring?
Yes, I have many coloring books.
Do you use crayons?
Yes, and markers too.
Do you like art class?
Yes, it's my favorite.
Do you like running?
Yes, I run fast.
Do you run races?
Yes, we have races at school.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love the beach.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, chocolate is my favorite.
eat ice cream in winter?
Sometimes.
Do you like soup?
Yes, chicken soup is my favorite.
What's your favorite dinner?
I like spaghetti.
Do you help set the table?
Yes, I help every day.
Do you like fruits?
Yes, I love fruits.
What's your favorite fruit?
Apples are my favorite.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like vegetables.
What's your favorite vegetables?
I like carrots.
Do you eat salad?
Yes, I love it. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.